tours. We left off on chapter, I think this is chapter 6, but also it's part 2 of the physics book. Nuclear heavies, radioactivity, alpha particle, beta particle, photon, Schrodinger, I think it's Schrodinger's cat, yep, weak force. Let's start with radioactivity. Looks like a Pac-Man ghost. It's pretty funny. It happens when the core of the atom breaks down. Discovered by her, it says half-life of uranium. Whoa, 700 million years. Jeez. Nano. The worst nuclear accident, Chernobyl, now in Ukraine, 1986. So that thing is still radioactive now. Alpha particle, the biggest particle of nuclear radiation. Slow moving, heavy, but very. Then it can be stopped in a thin sheet of paper. Right there, it shows paper around the alpha particle. How about beta particle? Okay, beta particle. Various part is fast moving particle, nuclear radiation. Negative free electron. Stopped by a thin sheet of metal, like I think tin foil. More sense than the alpha particle. Right there. I think I didn't show you the alpha particle part. Right there. Made of 2 protons and 2 neutrons for the alpha particle. This one's made of common medical treatment. Right there, sodium 9D, which is on the periodic table. And it's radioactive. Photon. The real wire brings spark of fizz wherever he goes. Discovered right there. Mass 0 killing. Active both a weight and a particle. Wow. Didn't notice that. Schrodinger's cat. I don't know what that is. Oh, it was subject. The quantum and perfect proof that it's not simple. Cancer alpha decay 50 deadly gas hydrochloric acid. No one has never tried this experiment. Nope. There was a cat that has XI. Weak force. The both quarks and leptons. The force has the power to change the flavor of quarks. Right there. Whoa. Carries W and W plus and Z particles. Now this is the electric crudies. Static electricity, electric current, magnetism, which I'll give you a sample of magnetism. Yeah. It actually does involve the same thing that we use with the kinetic and potential energy, but I'm at the reverse rotate it so you can see the magnet inside. Magnetism and electromagnetism, generator, and semiconductor. Static electricity, electrical charge that slays no one. Hair raising character who causes lightning that sparks a real charge. People saying their head. Whoa. Typical lightning current 10,000 amps. Typical lightning volts 100 million volts. Typical lighting temperature 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 30,000 degrees Celsius. Now electric current is the one that powers our stuff today, right there, see?
I don't want to get destroyed.
Right there, speed of electrons in the wire 0.1 millimeters a second. Lethal current 5 to 8 amps for lethal current. You measure in amps, which is A right there, which has on that fan right there 42 amps. So it's measuring amps. Magnetism. Right there, magnetism. The visible force is measured in teslas or T. Magnets both have a north and south poles. And Earth has a big, giant north and south pole.
Yeah,
north pole right there. South pole. Shifting poles. 25 millimeters per year. 1.8 kilometers a year. Now this one's a magnet. This one's either both a permanent and electro. Because it does generate electricity while you notice, but it's also a permanent too. Pretty cool. So that was an example. Same with electromagnetism. So basically just like the regular magnetism. Because I think the copper coil act as the copper coil and iron core of the fan act as electromagnet or a generator too. Right there, semi-electricity, it would change the particles held in the strongest force. That's only if you hook up an adapter to it that will have electromagnetism, so it's still permanent. And my favorite part is the generator. So look, this fan's like a little generator because it can generate electricity on its own. That's how a generator does. This guy right there. First generator. Pixel. Use output largest power plant right there. 18.2 gigawatts, and it shows right there. Now this one. Range is infinite for electromagnetism. Now, this is the one that we have in most modern technology today. Semiconductors, which is in the fan circuits too. Semiconductors right here. No matter, doesn't really like. It does conduct electricity. He's a techno wizard. Bell outage, common silicon, and uranium. Examples, translators, solar cells, and LEDs. Okay, now this is the end of it. Okay, let's go back to the one where we didn't do. We did antimatter. Oh, we did. I think we did digital current.